Good morning, students. In this class, we will see the grammar topic adjectives. Okay, let's see the definition for adjective. Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about persons, animals, places, and things. Adjectives means nothing but it's describing words. Okay, it tells us more about person, animals, places, and things. See the example. Rohini has a beautiful dress. In this sentence, the word beautiful is adjective because of it describes the noun dress. Okay, the word beautiful tell us more about the noun dress. Okay, see, beautiful tell us about the kind of dress. Okay, next example, it was an interesting movie. Interesting tell us about the kind of movie. What kind of movie? Interesting movie. Okay, so here the word interesting tells us about the kind of movie. Next, father bought 4 chocolates for me and my sister. Here the word 4 is adjective. Okay, it tells us more about the noun chocolates. Got it? Next, we will see the position of adjectives. Adjectives are usually placed before the nouns as well as after the nouns. Okay, before the nouns as well as after the nouns. Look at the example. He is an old man. In this example, the word man is a noun, old is an adjective. Okay, here the adjectives placed before the nouns, right? Man is a noun, old is an adjective. So, the adjective placed before a noun. Next example, the man is old. Here, man is a noun, old is an adjective. So, in this example, the adjective placed after a noun. Got it? So, the adjectives placed before the noun as well as after a noun. Next, let's see the types of adjectives. Adjectives can be divided into the following types. Look at the column. How many types are there in adjectives? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 types of adjectives. Okay. What are they? Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and then last possessive adjectives. We will see one by one. Okay. First, adjectives of quality. First one, adjectives of quality. It means tell about the kind of nouns. Okay. See, this is an interesting book. It tells us about the kind of book. What kind of book? Interesting book. So, it tells about the kind of noun. Here, book is a noun. Interesting tell about the kind of noun, kind of book. Okay. Next, Mittu is a good dancer. Here, what kind of dancer? Mittu is a good dancer. So, it tells us about the kind of dancer. So, these words interesting, good are adjectives. Okay. Here, book and dancer. Here, interesting and good, they tell us about the book and dancer. Next, interesting tell us about the kind of book. Next, good tell us about the kind of dancer. Okay. Here, good and interesting are adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality tell about the kind of noun. Okay. Next, second one, adjectives of quantity. Look at the example. The teacher gave me some homework for Sunday. Here it tells us about the quantity of homework. How much? How much homework? Some homework. Okay, so here the word some refers adjectives of quantity. Next, I have enough time to complete the work. How much time? Enough time. Okay, so here the word enough refers adjectives of quantity. Here the words some, enoughs are adjectives. Some and enoughs are adjectives. They tell us about the nouns homework and time. Okay, some tell us how much homework the teacher gave, and then the word enough tell us how much time I have. Okay, so these adjectives are adjectives of quantity. Next, third one, adjectives of number. All the students were present at the event. All the students were present at the event. It tells us about the number of students. Okay, how many students were present? All the students. So here the word all refer number of students. Next example, they will return after 2 weeks. Okay, here 2 tell us about the number of weeks. Okay, how many weeks they will return? They will return after 2 weeks. So here the word 2 refer adjectives of number. Okay, the word all and 2 are adjectives. All and 2 are adjectives. They describe the noun students and weeks. All tell us how many students were present, and 2 tell us how many weeks they will return. So all and 2 are adjectives of number. Got it? Next, see more about adjectives of number and adjectives of quantity. Adjectives like second, fourth, fifth are also adjectives of numbers. They are called ordinal adjectives. Okay, if the adjectives for second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, we are called ordinal adjectives. Okay, and show the order in which a person or thing stands. Next, some adjectives may be both adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Okay, it depending upon their use. See the example, I have enough work for the day. Next, I have read enough stories over the weekend. Here in first one, enough tell us how much work. Okay, how much work, so it is an adjective of quantity. Next, enough tell us how many stories. How many? Okay, here much, here many. Much refers adjective of quantity, many refer adjective of number. So these are the difference. Okay, next let us learn about some adjectives of quantity and number which convey the same idea. Okay, both are convey the same idea. See, little and few convey the same idea. Little is an adjective of quantity. Okay, few is an adjective of number. If we can't count the nouns at the place, we have to use the word little. Okay, but if we can count at that place, we have to use the word few. Got it? Next, much and many. Much and many also convey the same idea, but here much refers uncountable. Okay, much is an adjective of quantity, many is an adjective of number. Much is uncountable, but many is countable. Okay, much help, much work. We can't count the help and count the work, right? But here we can count how many girls and how many books, right? So many is uncountable, much is an uncountable. Okay. Next, demonstrative adjectives. This bike is Rahul's. Whose bike? Sorry. Which bike? Okay. Which bike? This bike is Rahul's. So it tells us which bike. Which. Next, I can see that mango tree. Which mango tree? That mango tree. So the word this and that are adjectives. Okay. They describe bike, and this describe bike, that describe mango. Okay. The word this point out which bike is Rahul's. Next, the word that point out which mango tree. Which mango tree I can see. Okay, so this and that are demonstrative adjectives. Not only this and that, look at here. This, these, that, those. Okay, this and these are used to point out person or things which are near. This pencil. If I kept more than 2 pencils, we have to tell these pencils. Okay, wait. Now these pencil. Okay, if I kept 1 pencil, we have to call this pencil. But if I kept 2 pencils, we have to call these pencils. Okay, which are near my book, so we have to call this and these. But if I kept my pencil far away from the book, we have to point out that pencil. Singular means that pencil, plural means those pencils. Got it? Those pencils. That's all. Next, take the next page. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative means which asks a question. Okay, what, which, where, whose, whom, like that. What animal is that? Which dress do you want? Whose book are you reading? If the question start with a WH, okay, that is called interrogative adjectives. The word what, whose, which are adjectives since they describe animal. What describe animal, which describe dress, whose describe books. Okay, as they ask questions, these adjectives are called interrogative adjectives. It's very simple one. Next, possessive adjectives. My book is lying on the table. My book. It tells us whose book. Whose book? My book. Okay. Next, they sold their house. Whose house? Their house. So here, my and their are adjectives. My tell us about the book, belongs to me, and here their house means the house possessed by them. Okay, it's belonging to them. So here my and their are possessive adjectives. That's all, students. Once again I recall this topic. Okay, adjective means describing words, tell us more about person, animals, places and things. Next, possession of adjectives. Adjectives placed before the noun as well as after a noun. And then types of adjectives, totally 6 types of adjectives. Okay, adjective of quality, tell us about the kind of nouns. Adjective of quantity, tell us about the quantity of nouns. Kind of nouns, here quantity of nouns. Next, adjective of number means tell about the number of nouns. Okay, number of nouns. Next, demonstrative adjectives, point out to noun. Interrogative means ask questions. Next, possessive, show possession. Okay, that's all. Thank you.